Hello all you lovely computer scientists. Today I shall show you most of the ways which you can make your inputs look good and format your inputs, or have inputs format other things. They can be .format, f-strings, you can use \n, \r, you can even have an input right inside a .format. So, we all have our standard inputs, we know that, right? Standard input, go into the variable. It makes a variable ready to input in. Say 7. Variable's not equal to 7. You can use \n inside your print. Use \r. Which is on a new line. You can use .format inside of a print statement. Print statement input. It can also be an f-string. You can have your input be an f-string. And you can have your input be inside a format. As you can see, we still have a question. Answer. Print the same. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed or learned something, please like, comment, and subscribe. And especially comment, because I love hearing about how you learn stuff. Helps me create better videos.